Good morning. I have an appointment with Dr. Sam at 8:30.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Here we are. What are your reasons for seeing Dr. Sam today?
Well, lately I have been feeling tired. And occasionally I have had really bad headaches and an upset stomach. On top of that, I have had this persistent cough for the last 2 weeks.
When did you start having these symptoms?
I started feeling tired about 2 months ago. Then, a little bit after that, the headaches came. I got the upset stomach long before feeling tired.
Are you taking any medications?
Only my vitamins.
What vitamins are you taking?
I am taking a multivitamin tablet and extra vitamin C every day.
Okay, let me take your vital signs.
How am I doing?
Everything is good, normal blood pressure, and no high temperature. Please wait here for a minute. Dr. Sam will be with you in a moment.
Thank you.
Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, doctor.
Good. I see here that you started feeling tired 2 months ago. And then you started having bad headaches. You also have had an upset stomach and a persistent cough. Did you run a fever too?
No, doctor.
Let me do a quick physical checkup. Please take a deep breath, hold your breath, and exhale. Do it again, please. Were there any changes in your diet or your weight lately?
I ate the usual things, but I lost 5 pounds recently.
Did you suffer from insomnia?
Well, it is pretty hard for me to fall asleep when I go to bed. I also woke up many times during the night.
Do you drink? Do you smoke?
No.
How are things at work?
There was a change of ownership 3 months ago. And I had to work a lot of overtime, even during the weekend.
It looks like you have pneumonia. Other than that, I do not see any problems. You are probably under stress from changes at work. And the stress causes headaches, upset stomach, and sleeplessness. For now, try to relax and exercise. It may solve your problems. Come back to see me again if the symptoms persist, and I will do further tests. I am going to give you a prescription for your pneumonia. Are you allergic to any medications?
Not to my knowledge.
Okay, take this medication 3 times a day after you eat. Also, I want you to have some blood tests. Stop by the laboratory on your way out and have the nurse draw your blood.
I am anxious to know my cholesterol level. When will I get the results of the blood test?
The results will be available in 2 weeks. Don't stress yourself. I think everything will be okay.
Thank you, doctor.
You are welcome.